That's
Boot.
What? That's a female dog, though. Dad.
Yeah, female. Boot.
There it is. This way.
So what's up, fellows? We're here now at the ferry, and then we're going to log our name here. That is the ticketing office. So that is the toilet here.
All right, so we're here. We made it. I was over there filming. Over there by the ticket booth. Always chilling. Nick's. He's racked out back there. He's out like a light. She's out. I'm not gonna wake her up either. Here she comes. Here comes the wife. Let me see if I gotta lean up.
$1,205 po.
Alright. Don't put on my credit card.
My wallet. Wait. 1,205. Oo. Ako siya. Total.
I feel like that guy looks right there right now. Fuck, he probably just missed it too. My goodness.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh boy.
So here we go, and then the truck is ready to ride that barge. The boat. So folks, we're here now at the ferry and we're waiting for the ferry. And then the Coast Guard is like checking the passengers inside the bus. Yeah, they're checking right now. That is from Cebu. That ferry is from Oslo. From Cebu. From Dumaguete. That ferry is from Dumaguete. Yeah. And then they're crossing the ocean. Oh, look at that. Small boat. Oh wow, it's catching fish. Good.
Dog's balls. What do they call them?
Dakog lagay.
Is that a tumor? Is that a tumor? Is that
No? What?
Good.
Unsay tawagan na iya? Kanang sa iro nga dako kayo yang kuno.
That looks like a female dog, babe. Babe, that's
But
what? That's a female dog, though, babe.
yeah, female but. Like
That's like a tumor or something.
aya.
That's
What?
like tumor or something.
But female.
Yeah, out of the corner of my eye, I saw something swinging. I said, what's swinging? I said, oh my God.
Oh my god.
I just thought I saw a dog with huge balls, and it turns out it was a female dog with like a giant tumor right there.
Pag inipabuton
In the
sa
corner of my eye, I saw this thing swinging like a pendulum.
yung may lagi sa tambay ron di ano sa kanan mo.
Oh, there's a Coast Guard. Ya. Dito ra kong hulat ya.
Ha?
Dito ra kong hulat.
Oo, ade pangutanan lang po atong katana po tam kasakay ra tong Innova.
Next. Play mabawal.
Ay dikit ba?
Makasakay ng Innova ya.
Pula?
Ha?
Ano ba? Pula?
Sa ako daw.
Oh, kasakay. Una
Oh, naro dito mo ticket.
Oh, sige. Dito pa dito.
Ah, okay. So, we're here now at the ferry. So we're going to stay there and then film. the next, we're going to film here. And then after, later, we're going upstairs. Safety first.
Đâu, này silicon đi chơi đâu? Silicon. Này đi lên. Chơi. Laman, pantay. Sa din. Tapos taas at timang ka.
Yeah, they're going to arrange the truck, the big cargo truck, the big wheeler truck. They're going to arrange that at the back. My left side, look at that. Kuya is paddling the boat. He's right there. There's another here.